Now let me create one more function that will calculate the area of the square, and the answer will be displayed in the computer's monitor. Okay, so below this I am going to create another function. How do you create function? Start with the keyword def, the first three characters of definition, followed by name of the function. You can give any suitable name. What name do you prefer? Let me write it as area square. Function symbol followed by colon. Now document string, the first line of comment. Calculate and display area. Now how do you calculate and display area? You can cut and paste this one. Right click, cut, you can paste it. Okay. So these are statements associated with the function area square, or if you want you can write area of square. Okay, area of square. So this is your main function, and the main function contains only one statement, that is this one. So when you run the program, these are not the statements to be executed first. Execution of a Python program starts at the main function. So you call this function, the control comes here, you read the side, example 6, return 6. So this variable contains 6 and the program stops. So if you want the Python to execute these statements, you should call this function. How do you call the function? You know the method. Name of the function followed by function symbol. If anything is there to be passed, certainly you can pass that, later we will study. Okay, so in order to call a function, name of the function followed by function symbol. So let me use that. What's the name of the function? Let me copy paste this. So while calling the function, you don't need the colon. This is required only for definition. This is function call. Okay, so you call the function by the name area of the square. Now when you call a function, what happens? Control goes to the point where the function is defined. Area is equal to side into side. This function does not know the value of the variable side. Why it does not know that? Because only the main function knows what the side is. So it should be passed to this function. How can you pass that? Just write side here. And here there should be someone to receive that. So now what's the meaning? Suppose the side returned is 7. You call the function by the name area of square. Here 7 is passed and this variable contains 7. Okay, so now 7 into 7, 49. Your variable area contains 49. So 49 displayed in the computer's monitor. You can see that. 49. Okay, so you created one more function. So this is done by the name passing a quantity to a function. Okay, so let me explain the whole thing from the beginning. When you run the program, execution of a Python program starts and ends at the main function. So control comes here, nothing to be done. It goes to the next line. On seeing assignment operator, right hand side should be assigned to left hand side. This is a function call, because if you see the symbol, understand that it's a function. So this is a function call. On encountering a function call, finally control reaches a point where the function is defined. Now side is entered from the keyboard, example 9, return 9. To where it is returned? To the point from where it was called. So 9 appears here. It is assigned to the variable side. Now you call the function by the name area of a square. When you call a function, what happens? Control goes to the point where the function is defined. So from here, automatically control comes here. This variable contains 9, that is passed to this variable. So this one contains 9. So area is equal to 9 into 9, 81. Here 81 displayed. Okay, so this is how you write your own functions. Now let us write one more program by making use of function.